Things move fast at Ollie's 8-second oil change. Because when you complete 450 oil changes per hour, oil slicks are unavoidable. So you better believe I use every millisecond to keep these bad boys smudge-free with our 60-step cleaning system. 60 wipes per second. But again, who's counting? Toshiba knows in retail, your system racks up a lot of miles. So keeping it clean, it's non-negotiable. And that's why their screens are tested rigorously to verify sealing. To pass, screens have to stand up to even the most enthusiastic cleaning. Because if your Toshiba systems can work here, they can work just about anywhere.